the Carlee Russell case, you've now got a Alabama lawmaker who now wants to make it a felony to fake a kidnapping. Now, mind you, she's facing charges. But this is a perfect example of how nonsensical and crazy white conservatives are. We're talking one woman, and you want to change state law because of one woman? Robert, this is stupid and is ass backwards in a place like Alabama. But this is what happens in these red states where they have the highest incarceration rates in the country.
Of course, and not just that. Think about the chilling effect it may have on individuals potentially reporting kidnappings. You may want to stop the Carlee Russell because, Lord knows that happens every day. No, this is an isolated incident. But what happens if you put more barriers in place, if you put any thought in the minds of an individual that I might be charged with a felony if I report my own kidnapping, or if there's a misunderstanding or anything along those lines, well, then you've now put a chilling effect that may put more women in danger. So I know it's a knee-jerk reaction to do something stupid, but it's a much better reaction to sit there, talk to victims' rights advocates. If you really want to do something, figure out how to assign more state resources to finding the thousands of missing children in the state of Alabama. Assign more resources to battered women's shelters. Work to increase the number of rights that women have in the state. We're passing a law about increasing the penalties for faking a kidnapping. It may sound good on a campaign ad in Marion, Alabama somewhere, but it's not effective in actually fixing the problem.
Rebecca.
The last time we talked about it, some of your viewers thought that I was defending Carlee. And I just want to make it clear, I am not. What she did was very clownish, especially for allegedly doing this over because her boyfriend allegedly cheated. Great. But that said, just like what Robert said, bottom line, if this was a white woman who did something like this, and we see plenty of white women who claim that someone assaulted them or that they were kidnapped or someone attempted to take them, we don't see this knee-jerk legislation. So while, yes, we think what Carlee did was clownish behavior, at the same time, this doesn't make sense. Even some of the state legislators in Alabama said that this might only happen once every 5 to 10 years. I think they're trying to make an example out of her because she is a Black woman who, yes, in this instance, was very clownish.